Welcome to Cortland's Locked Brummel Eye Splice demonstration for Plasma 12 strand. This splice can be used for all conventional Type 1 and Type 2 12 strand braided rope constructions. A locked Brummel eye splice requires that both ends of the rope are available and that the overall length of the rope is not excessive. First, lay the end of the rope out straight on the work surface. For Plasma 12 strand, start at the bitter end of the rope and measure 2 fid lengths down and make a mark completely around the circumference of the rope. This is Mark 1. Using Mark 1 as a reference point, form an eye in the bitter end of the rope. When the proper size of the eye has been determined, make a mark on the rope directly opposite Mark 1. This is Mark 2. Now remove any tape from the bitter end of the rope, and then cut it at an angle. Tape the splicing fit to the bitter end. And insert the fid directly through the body of the rope at Mark 2. The fid should be inserted between strands. There should be 6 strands on either side of the fid at the point where it enters and then leaves the rope. Make sure that the section of the rope forming the eye is not twisted. Pull the fid and bitter end through until Mark 1 is visible just past the exit point at Mark 2. Use a second fid to create an opening directly through at Mark 1. There should be 6 strands in the body of the rope on either side of the fid at the point where it enters and then leaves the rope. Insert the opposite end of the rope through the opening and pull the entire length of the rope through until the resulting loop, the Brummel, located below the base of the eye is tight. Insert the fid and the bitter end back into the body of the rope at a point 2 picks below the bottom of the last Brummel. For Plasma 12 strand rope, push the fid down the center of the rope for 2.5 fid lengths. Then bring the tip of the fid out of the body of the rope. Pull the remaining length of the bitter end through the body of the rope. Then remove the fid from the bitter end. Working from the bitter end, count 3 picks or 3 strand pairs away from the end and mark the third pair to form a V-shaped mark on the rope. Then count 2 more picks up the rope and mark the second pair. Alternate counting and marking the third and then second picks for a length of about 1/3 fid away from the bitter end. Pull each of the marked strands out of the braid at the point where it has been marked. Cut off the end of these strands at their respective marks to form a tapered end. Working from the base of the eye, smooth out the bunched up rope away from the eye to bury the tapered bitter end back inside the body of the rope. The Locked Brummel Eye Splice is now complete. You can find written instructions for the Locked Brummel Eye Splice on the Cortland website at cortlandcompany.com.